Okay, welcome back to another training session. In this session, we'll be looking at how we can reach just 1% in this setup. How we can reach just 1% in this particular market. Okay, like I said in the first lecture about risking 1% on a bullish market. Okay, now these are structure. You can see this red price, this price at the circle red. Okay, that is our stop loss level. Okay, now you are seeing this particular red level because of this two. Okay, you can get the two from this particular area. The long, if you want to, if it's a bullish market, the short, if it's a bearish market. So this is, we're using the short currently because it's a bearish market, or we are intending to sell. That is why we're using the sell two. But if you're intending to buy, you use the long two. They have the same feature, just that one is for the long side, the other one is for the short side. Okay, now this is our stop loss price or level. Now this particular level, this axis level, that is our entry price, and this particular level is our take profit. Now you don't calculate for the take profit because of course you should know you should be risking your risk reward ratio should be at least 1:2. 1:1.5 is also fair, but don't go below 1:1. That is worst case scenario. Don't go below 1:1, but 1:2 is very, 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 very fair. Okay, now, for us to get this right, we have to go to my FS book. There are other platforms you can use to actually calculate this, but I use my FS book because it's very accurate. My FS book is very accurate, very, very accurate. I recommend you can use them also, but there are other platforms that are also very accurate, but I use my FS book. Now, there's one information we have to get. You see this stop loss pips, 75.2. You can see it at the top red line, 75.2. That is our stop loss pips. We are going to need this particular value for the calculation. We are trading AUD card. These are the two major values that we'll be using for our calculation. Okay, 75.2. Now let's go to my FS book. Okay. Now, AUD card is the pair we are trading. So let's locate AUD card. Let's locate AUD card. Please don't make the mistake to pick a different pair from what you are trading. Don't make that mistake. You miss it all. Okay. AUD card is the pair that we want to trade. Okay, our currency is still USD. You can select any currency. That depends on your account. Okay, our account size is still $1,000. We still want to reach 1% of our account. Okay, now our stop loss pips this time is different. Our stop loss pip is 75.2. Okay, now if this plays at 1, or then we'll go to calculate. Now you pick your 0.02 price. That is what you use for your trade. You don't use anything more than that or less than that. If not, you are not going to be accurate. Okay, so in your MT4 or MT5, as you are entering your trade, you make sure that your entry should be at this level, your stop loss should be at this level, and your loss size should be 0.02. Account, which is just $10, which is very fair. Risking $10 in $1,000 account is very, very fair. Now, somebody will say, okay, if I'm risking $10, that means if I'm targeting 1:1, I'm making just $10. It's very, very small. No, it's not small. That is where the 5% rules come into play. Okay, it's not small. If you are risking, let's say you are risking, your risk reward ratio is 1:2, so meaning you are risking $10 to make $20. Okay, if you have 5 winning trade, that is about $100. Okay, We'll look into that when we talk about the 5% rule in the next lecture. Okay. Thank you very much. See you in the next lecture.